Ever wondered why the sky is blue? It turns completely red at sunset. It is not a magic, it is beautiful physics. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually a mix of all 7 rainbow colors. Blue and violet light travel in short and tiny wavelengths. When they hit gases and dust in our atmosphere, they scatter in every direction. This is called Rayleigh scattering. Wait, why it is not the sky violet then? Because the sunlight contains way more blue light and our eyes are naturally more sensitive to blue. But at sunset, the sun is low on the horizon. The light has to travel through a much thicker layer of the atmosphere to reach your eyes. Along this long journey, shorter wavelengths like blue and green get scattered completely away before they ever reach you. Only the red and orange, which have the longest wavelengths, can punch straight through the dust and reach your eyes. And that is why the day ends in the spectacular sea of the orange and the red mix. Nature is amazing, right? Like and follow Gen Tutorial School of Next Gen. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.